Yeah.
So how's your morning there, Leadfoot?
Not bad, not bad. I made my donation to the Ohio State Troopers, so we're good.
From what I've seen, it looks like if it rains, it's gonna get slick, but whatever's wet's gonna be really slick. But other than that, it's pretty tacky. I'm ready for it. I had a good day going. I got a terrible start and picked my way back up to 5th. And right after I pit, Ben caught up to me and we started cranking along. I gapped him a little bit, and then in the woods I hit a real slick section and then right off the track into a tree. So I was laying there for a few minutes. I tried to recoup and keep it going, but couldn't keep going. So get him next time.
It was all right. I didn't get the best start, and then just came through the pack, not really too fast or anything. The track was really hard to pack, and it's not really my strong suit, so I just wanted to finish, just tried as best I could, and had a decent finish, not really too good, but it's all right, I finished, so I'm happy. Reminded me a lot like South Carolina where I crashed out, so just wanted to finish.